The number one mindset that changed absolutely everything for me, and it can for you too. What that is doing it now. The number one enemy of wealth and abundance, according to W. Clement Stone, is delay. You've got to take action. Action takers are money makers. So many people wait, they're getting ready, they're aiming, but they're never firing. And you can literally talk yourself right out of something. And that is something that I see people do all the time, is they overthink things. They worry about all the what ifs and what if this happens. And they never really think about what if the good thing. They always think about what if the bad things. And they want everything to be perfect. Like, think about it. If you look at successful people, they're successful not because they have some superpower or they're different than you or they're better than you. It's because they actually just took action. They actually did the thing. They didn't wait for everything to be just right, perfectly in place. They just did it. Successful people typically will make more decisions and do things in their business and their life to progress forward at a much quicker rate than people who aren't. And so why this works is because even though the things that they aren't doing is actually always working, but because they've done so many more things, they have a higher likelihood of being successful. Let me give you an example. Howard Schultz, you probably don't know who he was, but back in 1981, he actually walked into a Starbucks. Now back then, all they had was coffee beans and the machines. That's all that they sold. So he saw all this potential in Starbucks. So what happened? In 1982, he actually started working there. And then he would go to Starbucks with his ideas and his inventions, and they basically told him, no, not going to happen. We're not doing it. So what he did was he said, okay, no problem. He went and left Starbucks, opened up his own company called Granola, and he started implementing and testing all of his different ideas that he had. And guess what? It was an absolute hit. So much so that Starbucks bought out his company and then made him the CEO of Starbucks. Why did this happen? Because he kept on trying and testing. He didn't take no for an answer. He didn't just stop because they said no, no, no. And he didn't just stop with one thing. He kept on trying new things over and over and over again. Whereas most people, when somebody tells them no, or they shoot them down, or they have rejection, they just say, guess my idea wasn't very good. Maybe I should stop. He didn't do that. I mean, think about it. Starbucks, people, like $1 billion company, all from being rejected, starting, not stopping, doing it now, keep on going. So here's the deal. When you know that you've got this idea or this something that can change your life or others, it doesn't matter what other people think. It doesn't matter if they don't understand your vision or believe in your vision. It matters what you do. It matters that you start and you keep going and you never give up and you never stop. And here's something that we need to understand as people, is a lot of times the people that love us, right? Our biggest supporters are the people that might tell us not to do something. It's not a good idea and probably not in the cards. And we listen to them because we think, and they do, they have our best interest at heart. But obviously it's not always the case that they are right. Don't take advice from somebody who, number one, doesn't understand where you're at in life, and number two, has never done the thing you're trying to do. Don't ask advice from somebody who hasn't done what you're trying to do, because they will not be able to see where you're at. So bottom line, you've got to start and you've got to start often. And yes, you're going to make mistakes and you're going to fail and your things are going to be difficult, but you just have to keep on going. Do it now, do it now, do it now. And so we have to understand that, all the things in our life started from us starting. Everything starts from us starting. All the good things. It starts from us making a decision. It's from us making a choice, whether it's a good choice or a bad choice. Everything in your life, where you're at right now. Of course, I don't mean things that are horrible that have happened to you that wasn't that was at the hand of somebody else. But it starts from a choice or a decision that you made, that you moved forward. And that is how you ended up or didn't end up where you're at today, from taking action, doing something. I hope this is helpful for you. And let me know in the comments what else I can do to support you. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe and share, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks so much for watching my video. You can learn more about how to be a successful real estate professional by watching other videos that I have. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.